What's your name again?
Daiki?
Daiki.
Yeah, yeah.
How old are you?
26.
26. You look younger! As in, I thought mga 19. I thought you're 19 or 20. Wait, no, promise! Di ba, he look younger. Kasi ano, because life, nagiging kasi, nagatagalog na.
Can you teach me Tagalog?
Tagalog?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll teach you Tagalog. What words?
Maganda.
I know maganda.
Ay, ano maganda?
Sus, maganda.
Yeah, maganda.
Muy nice.
Maganda talaga.
Thank you. How about Bisaya? Do you speak?
Kamay lang.
You're a blogger?
Yeah.
What's your FB account?
TikTok.
TikTok?
Yeah.
TikTok.
Filo ko nagyon ako siya. Iday. So you speed if
Oo, kanang,